Amandla awethu awethu. Viva Mpumalanga, viva! Viva Mpumalanga, viva! Viva Retsibande, viva! Viva Enhlanzeni, viva! Viva Enkangala, viva!
Bala asakhona ukuya ndawo. I'm the person ukuthi mina ngisho ngihlupheka kakhulu nge-UAT ngibuye ekudeni nayo la ngibuya khona. I'm coming from Thabachewu municipality. Ngila ngibhilonga khona. La maThabachewu la bakhona namuhla bazongisupporta nabo. La kusekhaya kithi la ekhaya la umama mangibelekele khona la kusekhaya. Ngila ngithi kusekhaya la kusemkhashweni la ngithi viva UAT viva. Ngiyabonga ngithi i-UAT esenzele kona ingalahli. Ingagcini lakithi. Ingagcini lakithi qhubeke njalo isizwe phakathi neTawu project ngiyayibonga ngithi viva Air Force One viva. Long live Air Force One, long live. Long live the spirit of Air Force One, long live. Amandla. Amandla.
Nathi adle naye. Mayinesinkwa iduwa. Isibona ukuthi sizo expiration tomorrow and sisagcwele. Iduwa liyasirepa kamandi, lijump strata, lishiyele le ndlu le ayaziyo le ukuthi laba bazosidinga le bread. Dijo hadiboli. Hoba dijo hadilahlu maduwa. Cause batho ba rona ba lapile. Last week itse batho ba rona ba lapile but by interpreter but the people are tired. Ne, batho ba rona ba tshwere ke tlala ge. Ya kwagala ke. Batho ba rona ba tshwere ke tlala. We are hungry. Yes. Now the issue of food security, Matua. Umhlaba linawo and ilanga linalo. It's UAT who must elevate you to the next level. But by choosing leaders who are honest. Ayisithatha umuntu right simbekele makafika le ajike. Adibane nemali. Adibane nento ezinhle. Khohlwe ngabantu.
Sanibonani, igama lami Petros Biya, ichairperson ye-UAT eNkangala district. Njengamanje sila eMakhazeni esiyathuthuka location under municipality of eMakhazeni. Namhlanje size lana ukuzobona u-UAT kanye neTaus project njengoba nibona lana i-UAT neTaus project bakhele umndeni wakaMabhena yenze sure ukuthi nivotela i-UAT nge-4 zakaNovember this year 2026 njengoba siyovota. Kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi nivotele i-UAT. I-UAT inhlangano ezele kuzonceda abantu njengoba nibona abantu iyachubeka ngokubanceda ayicalanga lana and ayigcinanga la.
So today we came here at Emakhazeni. Emakhazeni, it's under the Nkangala district also. We witnessed, we were with UAT along with their structures. We have TF, PDF, and also Mother Nature. We were very fortunate enough today to be visited by our president. We are very fortunate about that. So today we were doing a house opening here at Emakazeni. We were here, we graced enough the place, and we are so filled with happiness to be here. We thank you, the community that came to support. We thank the UAT, we thank the Tau Project, we thank everybody that came here to support the family yakwamapena.
Umama uLitswalo uTrefina Litswalo wakhona lapha eMakhazeni esiyathuthuka. Ngithanda ukubongisa kakhulu abakwamabhena kulekhaya abalitholile. UAT okuhle okungaka ekwenzile ingagcini lapha ikwenze nakwabanye. Sibonile into ebayenzile yinhle kakhulu. So nani bakamabhena le ndlu niyayibona yinhle kangakanani. Niyiphathe njengoba singaboni kusasa sekugijima izinto ezingasimnandi maphela ningaklini nikline bomrami niyiphathe njengoba bayitshiyile.
Mina ngufanyana Lukhele sila kumakhelane kaMabhena. Sibonga kakhulu ku-UAT ukuthi isize umphakathi walapha ekhaya kaMabhena, ubakhele ufake konke nefurniture ngaphakathi. Sijabula kakhulu lento ebayenzile bayenze nakwabanye.
Madua ka mokgwa a re tshwereng ka ona mo Belfast ke leboga nka ga Mabhena e ba e agileng e leng e botse re thabile re a ba lebogisha re lebogisha UAT ka mokgwa e berekileng ka gone berekile mmereko mogolo le rena setšhaba sa Modimo wa tseba UAT ka mokgwa e berekang ka gona le lena re lakeletsa matlho gore le keng le tlo joina UAT.
Siyabonga kakhulu UAT ngaloko eyenzele kona bakamabhena. Sijabulile kakhulu thina Ward 3 sihlala ngapha Ward 3 sijabule kakhulu kungekho amagama amaningi esingakusho. Siyabona ukuthi UAT iyasebenza kakhulu. Siyabonga
the whole South Africa, the whole Mpumalanga, and Makhazeni municipality e Belfast Ward 3 la kamabhena ekhaya sithole usizo from Tau Project and the UAT. Sasihlala endlini iwa ikreka sabona ukuthi kuhle ukuthi sizame usizo sahamba sikokota iminyango sakokota safika ka UAT bavula iminyango basamukela sacela usizo basiza neTau Project yangenelela namuhla sinendlu nayi basakhele sine roof phezukwendlu sizohlala endlini sifuthumale. Sithanda ukubonga kuTau Project nabasebenzi beTau Project bonke ne-UAT yonke iphelele ngithi khanimambo
Motto ma-Afrika unity ma-Afrika ke lehlohonolo Bantu Wanda Mahlatsi, the president of the United Africans Transformation. Le gono re mo Ward 3 ko se a thuthuka in Mpumalanga. Re tlile go visita family ya ha Mabhena. Family ya Mabhena ile senyelwa ke motse wa bona ya ba Madua a ema gore a thuse jwale ka ha ba tlwaetse ba etsa Budua. Ka jeko lenana re ba sia ka motse o motle le seriti sa bona, a 2-bedroom house, a fully furnished le grocery ya dikgwedi tse tharo tse tlang. Re leboha Madua in all places, from Lerato Daycare Center VD to Seatuthuga Community Center to Seatuthuga Municipality to Kakayalami Center. Mo ba tlabe ba voutela teng ka di 4 tsa November selemong sona sena. Make sure Madua le tsamaye lo register ka August so that re voutele the United African Transformation. Hi Morale!
High discipline!
Hi Morale!
High discipline!
Kani mambo!
UAT!
Kani mambo!
UAT!
Ka di 4 tsa November re voutela
UAT!
Kani mambo!
UAT!
Get it right. Khani mama.
United African Transformation.